Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the serpentine belt, or the drive belt is what it's sometimes called, on a 1999 Jeep Wrangler. This is the 6-cylinder 4.0 liter engine, automatic, and I have AC. So, as you can see, I'm missing a lot of parts here because I'm working on other stuff and I need to get this belt off, so I thought I'd show you all how to remove it. I don't have a picture of the routing, so part of why I do these videos are so that I can see exactly how it's supposed to be routed. So I have an AC unit here. I imagine if you don't, it'll probably just potentially just go straight over here to your alternator. Around your water pump here, it loops down around here to your drive shaft, down around the drive shaft, up through this tensioner. This is what we're going to loosen. Then up through the power steering, back around through this tensioner here, and up to my AC. So, essentially, all you're going to need is a 15 millimeter socket. And we're going to loosen this tensioner here. So go ahead and loosen this just a bit. So with this one bolt here loosened, there's a bolt right here. You can weave through here. If you have a shorter, I guess you don't need the extension. You can have it down here. However, I have a lot more room. You might not have as much room for everything in place. You're going to go ahead and loosen it and see. I can already see, I did a little bit off camera. You can see that's a lot looser there. I'm going to loosen it even more. But essentially what it is, you can see through the back here, is you have this bar here that connects onto that bolt on the tensioner, and as you loosen it, it moves the bolt further down, giving you a lot more play. So go ahead and loosen that off, enough on that tensioner so that you can get your belt off. So with that loosened off, it's real easy to pop this around there. Basically just pop it off the tensioner and you can unwind everything. At this point you can inspect it. Mine is a relatively new one. I am not replacing mine. I have to get it off for the water pump. But I figured I would show you all how to do this, since the majority of the videos I was finding are for a tensioner on this side, and I don't have that. So I wanted to show everyone else how you do it on a 1999 Jeep Wrangler, the 4.0 6-cylinder with an automatic and with AC. So anyways, hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching.